Hi, I'm Rob with Hayneedle. This is a short video on the assembly of the Body Champ Inversion table. The estimated time in this assembly is around an hour, and the tools you will need are a wrench and screwdriver, which is provided. We'll start by opening our box and removing its contents, then locate your instructions. Inside you'll find a parts and hardware list. Take a brief inventory to make sure you have all the pieces needed for this assembly. Using our bolts 38 and 25, first taking off the hex nut and the washers, we'll now be attaching our right arm and our piece 37. To do this, we're going to line up the holes with the holes on our side. Make sure the R's are matching. We'll start first with our larger bolt 38, adding a flat washer, then our hook, then inserting through the top hole of both our pieces. On the opposite side, we'll then add our flat washer and our hex nut. Then with our second bolt, we're going to again add our flat washer, line up the holes, insert, and add our remaining washer and hex nut on the opposite end. We'll use our wrench to tighten and repeat this for our left handle on the opposite end. Next we'll attach our left and right sleeves. To do so, peel back the Velcro from the back, slip over the arm, and into place. Next we'll take our pin labeled as 49, our hardware labeled as 47. First, remove your hex nut and washers, and we'll now attach our piece 6 to our backrest. To do this, insert through and place on the last hole. Our bolt, first adding our washer, we're going to slide through the top, adding our washer and hex nut to the back and tightening. Once you do this, you'll then take your pin and insert in the bottom. You'll repeat this step on the opposite side with your second piece 6. Now we'll attach our backrest. To do so, simply slide the grooves into the sides and press down your hooks. We can then take our fabric and reattach the Velcro. Now take your bolt labeled as 50 and tighten into the hole above your hook. You'll repeat this step on the opposite side. Using our bolt labeled as 50, we'll now adjust our ankle brace at 90 degrees. To do so, pull up your knob, pull out the middle, and turn to the side. Make sure your slot is facing out. We'll then take our bolt, insert in the bottom, and tighten into place. Our bolt labeled as 28, again taking off the hex nut and the washers, will now attach our tube to the back of our ankle. To do this, insert into place, take your bolt, adding first your washer, then insert through your tube, and from the opposite side, adding again your washer, then hex nut, and tighten into place. Now take your 4 roller foams and insert one on each tube. We'll now use our hardware setup labeled 56 to attach our footrest. To do this, slide in to your ankle, then add your bolt, then on the opposite side, Add first your washer, then your hex nut, and tighten into place. We'll now attach our feet rest, but first take your clip and clip it to the back of your seat. Then take your feet rest, pull your pin out, and slide down to your desired location. Our final step is to take our rod labeled as 51 and our clamp labeled as 52. Slide through the hole on the back side of our A-frame, then place the clip on the opposite end. And there you have your gravity inversion system.